This is the new Cupra Terramar, and I'm going to tell you the top things that you might want to know. In terms of engine spec, left-hand drive, one sec. Engine spec, we actually have two variants. You have this, which is, of course, as you can hear, the combustion engine, 2 litre TSI engine, but there is also a plug-in version, which probably isn't as powerful, but the plug-in version gives you around 76 miles off range. Something that the Volkswagen Audi group and of course the Cupra brand are doing. I know the engines, calm down. You can see here, we've got a standard cockpit. So we don't have the little screen over here like you do on the Cupra Born and a few other models. We have a cockpit. I much prefer this, especially if the car has an engine and not a battery. Down the middle, we have this fancy new center console, which means you do have some physical buttons over here. We still have the standard screen and the standard controls for the aircon. But over here, you can see this is how you control the gearing. You no longer have a center console where you can control it. Instead, we have this. So yeah, get used to that. Is it your cup of tea? Let me know. Boot space, what does it look like? Big. It's big enough. Let me know what you think. I think it's big enough. Staying on space, look at that for space. Oh dear. There is no space, but hold on a minute. Underneath here, you can pull this lever and you can push it back. This seat's in the wrong position, but trust me, there is a lot of space in here. And of course, while we are staying on the topic of space, if you wanted to make this place a bit more airy, I believe you could swipe this back and that will open the blind. And if you swipe it back again, you can see it then opens the pan roof, or the sunroof, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, airy, spacious, and the new design, very driver focused, as you can see with it being tilted that way. I like it. It's got a 6-pot brake kit on the front and a standard caliper on the back. So don't worry, it will definitely stop in time. This is my first time driving a left-hand drive. Not gonna lie, it feels very weird in here. But in terms of sound anyway, have a listen to this. Is it me or does it sound decent? I hear a lot of induction. There's a lot of sound here. This feels uber weird. Left-hand drive, it just feels weird. Now 0 to 60 in the brand new left-hand drive Cupra Terramar. Oh! The nose lifted. And in these wet conditions, it did a 510. I'll take that. So either way, guys, if you have found this video helpful, please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see all of your beautiful faces in the next one. Take care and God bless.